If you're watching this, then you were likely as frustrated as I was when one plug broke off in this 1.5-liter engine. Hopefully, the tips shown in this video will help you get this plug out faster than it went for me. The first thing we need to do is get the porcelain out. I used a pick to tap and pull to get most of the porcelain out. However, it wasn't until I started the engine, compression blew out the remaining porcelain, which allowed for an attempt with an extractor tool. I attempted to use this kit to extract the broken plug. This bit fit perfectly into the hole and was able to get a perfect bite on the spark plug. Had this plug not been so seized in the hole, I'm confident this bit would have worked. However, I would have broke the bit off in the hole if I used any more force than I did, so a different approach was needed. The next attempt that may work for you was to use an inductive heater. I decided to purchase this online. The principle would be to install a bolt into the broken spark plug, then put one of the heat coils around the bolt and heat it red hot. The heat from this bolt will transfer to the spark plug, then melt crayon into the threads. I also tried to heat and rapid cool with ice, each time reinserting the extractor. In my case, this attempt did not work. My last resort was to drill it out. This is not my preferred method, as it does involve risks. However, in this case, all other options had been tried. I purchased a set of left-hand drill bits and a spark plug helicoil kit shown. The idea will be to begin drilling out the old plug, using a left-hand drill bit with the hope the drill bit will eventually grab the remaining plug and extract it. If it doesn't extract it, the helicoil will be used to create new threads for the spark plug. Now, on this 1.5 liter, the spark plug hole is too far down to access with a normal drill and bit. My solution was to weld some cheap 1/4-inch sockets I had on hand to the drill bits. This allowed the drill bits enough length to get down into the plug. You need to set your drill to turn left, not right. Start with the smallest drill bit that will barely fit in the hole and work your way to larger drill bits. Put generous amounts of grease on the drill bit. This way, you can pull the drill bit out, and most metal particles will be stuck in the grease and not get into the engine. Finally, it worked. It took about 45 careful minutes until the last drill bit actually pulled out the threads. I was then able to run the rethread tool that came with the helicoil kit and clean up the threads. However, I decided to use a borescope and check down in the cylinder just in case. Thank God I did. With the borescope down the injector hole and a magnet down the spark plug hole, you can see what is left. Imagine what would have happened if I started the engine. I had to get creative. The piece was too big for the magnet to pull through. I created a tool with wire to attempt to pull it through. This worked to break it into 2 pieces. However, it still wouldn't pull through the hole. I then used a claw-type tool. This worked to get the smaller coil piece out. However, it could not pull out the larger solid chunk of the spark plug. Using a magnet to grab this last piece, I then snuck the tool I made with wire under the solid piece and was able to extract the last piece. This is what came out with the drill bit, and these other 2 pieces needed to be extracted from the cylinder. In my case, with some patience and time, drilling out the spark plug and cleaning the threads fixed this concern.